All right, guys, welcome back again to the Blue Ocean Market Kitchen here. Chef Anthony. We're getting ready to work with some of these incredible Cedar Island oysters. These come from us from a gentleman in Cedar Island. He has a aquaculture farm producing some of the greatest oysters that you can get. We can get these year-round. The salinity is fantastic. The size of these are fantastic. You may look and say, these aren't huge oysters, but look at the size of the meat in there. What we're going to do today is kind of mess around with a kind of a classic presentation of basically broiled oysters. What we have here is we have some Parmesan cheese, some Gruyere cheese, black pepper, lemon juice, fresh chopped garlic, parsley, and we have some ghee or clarified brown butter. We're going to start topping the oysters. Here we go. Little parm. Remember, this time we really want to have enough of the cheeses on here. We also want to have enough of the oyster flavor coming through. There's no point in doing this if you can't taste the oyster. You notice how everything's sitting on a bed of salt. That is so that the oysters stay upright during this process. Just a little bit of garlic, guys. Nothing crazy. Enough to know it's there. Again, we're not trying to reinvent the wheel here with broiled oysters, but we really want to have some really nice oysters coming through here. We're going to, at this point, add a little lemon juice. A little black pepper. That's going to add a nice little spice to it. And a little parsley. All right, now we're going to put them under the broiler until they're nice and bubbly. About 2 minutes. All right, so I've kind of got one of these Pinterest, Martha Stewart type things for you if you want to look really cool when you're doing this at home, kind of impress your friends. You can use rock salt like you would for your water softener, or you can go ahead and just use some regular fashioned kosher salt. All right, kind of, we want to eat with our eyes, but also with our nose. So we're going to make some flavored salt. That's a little red pepper, little peppercorn, more licorice with the with the fennel seeds, a little star anise, and a little thyme. Okay, now we're just going to toss this all up. And it smells amazing. And there you go, just put it right down the middle. Here's your platter. Look at the colors, absolutely amazing. All right, guys, so now we're going to check on our oysters. Holy cow. Look at that. That looks amazing. So now to plate them, you notice we haven't lost any of the juice. Take them off the salt. Here's that kind of cool salt we made earlier. Kind of just nuzzle them down right there, right in the salt. Just move them down a little bit. Put our last one in there. And now for the finishing touch. We're just going to run some of that ghee straight down here. There they are. Cheese broiled oysters with clarified butter over seasoned salt. I hope you enjoy that one.